Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got another guess what's in the box video. This is a giant, not giant, but it's a pretty big box from eBay. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is a large box item I picked up from eBay. I believe this is the antenna mast and motor. Genuine OEM part. This box is 18 inches and 1/8 of an inch long. It is 8 inches and 1/8 of an inch wide. And it is 8 inches and 5/8 of an inch deep. That is my guess because I got 2 boxes delivered today. First one I opened and I did a video on, that one was the door handles, which come to find out they were the wrong color. So these are the brown door handles that I ended up receiving. Come to find out, the gentleman on eBay was really nice. He's like, I'm so sorry, maybe the lady that I have take all the photos, it looks like she might have accidentally, when she took the photo, she might have taken it at an angle where it made it look lighter than it was. And I apologize. And he even offered to send me a return label, and I told him don't worry about it. Come to find out, my handles were just missing the springs. So there's a spring in these handles that forces it closed. So my tannish, or not tan, but mine are a creamy beige color handle, and this spring right here is missing. So I took the spring out of the knockoff handles that I ended up getting. I thought they were brand new, or not brand new, but I thought they were out of a vehicle, and come to find out they weren't. So these are the ones that I got that are a brown. They're called oak brown, and these are the ones. I took one of the springs out of one of these guys. These are actually considered tan. I thought my interior is tan, but it's more of a beige cream tan than straight tan. My seats and the back are this color, this tan color. So I ended up taking the springs out of these, putting them in the door handles that are in the vehicle, and they're fine. I thought the handles were broken. They weren't. They were just missing springs. Looks like somebody may have pulled the springs out to replace them, and then the vehicle got sold to me, and they never got to putting the springs back in. So these came in handy. I put the springs from these in the door handles, and that was it. I told the gentleman, don't worry about it, I'll keep these, because these are a brown color. They're like a darkish brown. And the camera doesn't do these justice. It's really hard to actually see the actual color of them. There you go. I turn the light on. They are a brown color, kind of a dark mocha brown. Good thing is I actually have one of the panels inside. So here is the driver's side panel. I was fixing the handles, and I found a broken mount. These mounts right here. So I glued this mount back. I'm gonna put the thing back when I'm done, but come to find out, and I'll show you guys real quick while I have the panel sitting here. Okay, so here is where the door handle goes. And you can see this panel right here is a piece of leather, and this is considered oak beige, and this up here is considered oak brown. So looking at it, it's actually pretty close to the same color. Even down here, it's pretty close. It's not 100% identical, but it is dang near close. So down the road, if my handles that look just like this color break, I can always insert this handle in, and it's not going to match this inner panel, but it will match this outer panel and the top panel. So it'll go from cream beige to the handle being cream beige to this being mocha, mocha, and mocha. So it's not too bad. So I told him I'll keep them because these are OEM handles. They did come out of a 4Runner. And it doesn't look too bad if you look at it like that. It doesn't look too bad at all. So it would be more matching the top and the bottom of the panel instead of the handle matching the insert. So it's not a big deal. And you can tell from this one right here, this one will not match at all. Not at all. But it's okay. I got extra handles. I can always put those in the tan ones that I just put right there. I can always put those in my 4Runner, my SR5 with the blue, and have a little pop of tan. So I'm waiting for this panel to dry because I got some glue right here. Waiting for it to dry for that so I can put the pop clip back in, put the panel back on. So I told him don't worry about it. He was very nice. He's like, I'm so sorry. And I told him, oh, it's okay. You know, accidents happen. You know, sometimes you take pictures and they make the color look different. It happens. He was very nice. I told him, don't worry about sending me a return label. I'm going to keep these in case they're ever needed for anything. And he did message me back. He states, I do have another 4Runner. I might have them in, that 4Runner I believe has the color handles that you need, which is that cream beige color. And I told him if you do find the other vehicle on your lot has the creamy beige colored handles, go ahead and gather all of them up and I'll pay you and you can just ship those to me. It's not going to hurt to have, 3 sets of handles. So if he can get me another set, I'll have a spare set for the limited in its original color. If those break or the ones that I have on the limited break, I have these kind of mocha chocolate colored ones that can be put in that would still match the paneling as I just showed. And then I have a tan set in my SR5. The handles are blue like the interior. So I have brown, actual tan. These are tan. These are what is known from Toyota as mocha brown, and he put these slips in each one. These handles came out of a 1998 4Runner. Condition, it had 175,830 miles. He even put the VIN number on here, and it says right handle 96 to 02 1998 4Runner, right front. And each one is labeled. This one's labeled, same VIN number and everything. Right R for rear. So he made sure everything was labeled properly. So now I would technically, at the moment, I have 3 different color handles. The one that the Limited has in it right now, which is a creamy beige. I got tan, mocha chocolate, which is called mocha from, it's called an oak dark brown or mocha, which I just showed you. And then the SR5, the light SR5 blue. But what do you guys think is in this box? I'm pretty sure this is the antenna motor. Even though the antenna motor isn't this big, the box is probably twice as big as it. But you guys let me know. I just figured I'd show you guys, what's going on. Just wanted to update you on the last video that was right before this one. I decided to keep the handles. I kind of like them. Instead of it standing out, instead of the handle matching the insert that the handle is next to, the handle would match the top and the bottom of the panel, which is the mocha brown, so it's not a big deal. He's very awesome, though. He's also looking for other parts for me because he's got a couple 4Runners coming in. And he told me that if he gets another 4Runner that has the bumper, the front bumper for the SR5, a rear bumper for the Limited, and I'm looking for the internal, the crushed plate bumper, not the actual valance portion of the bumper. And he, quarter panels, doors, and a few other things. The guy's really nice. He actually gave me his phone number. So we're going back and forth. I'm looking for a bunch of parts to fix the SR5 that just got wrecked. And he might be having some parts for me available. He's very reasonable on shipping. Most of the shipping he does is free, which is awesome. And that's all I got for you guys. Appreciate you guys sticking around. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!